wrong?
Adam.
Why are you here?
Adam. Larinde boy.
Yes, I'm well.
Your kind landlady came to see me in Lagos.
But why, Mama? Why did you bring an old man all the way from Lagos on such a trivial matter? And without my permission?
The woman was right. The kind woman was right.
Ngozi, I don't want you to die. If it is true you have Magum, you will die. And I will always blame myself for not doing something. That's why I went. Now sit down.
No, Danny.
What's going on here? Does the whole of Oleku know my story, Mama?
Okay. Ngozi, Genti, Ntida, Sinayama no hu okenyeku. Osolisi, Oda, Ogugo, Genti. Listen well. What is this mango?
You know these AIDS they talk about. Magum is worse. They say one can carry AIDS for 9 years. No one can carry Magum for more than 9 weeks. Hey. Oh yes, whereas AIDS is sexually transmitted disease. Magum is sexually assisted death. The carrier, usually a woman, is afflicted with Magum. And any man who contacts it by having sex with her dies, either immediately or very, very shortly afterwards. There are many types of Magum, but only 3 of them are most dangerous. 1, the cock crow. In this, the contactor crows like a cock immediately after sexual intercourse with the carrier. Then he dies promptly. 2, the somersault. The contactor somersaults 3 times. Fine. Immediately. The contactor may also bleed to death by vomiting or urinating blood continuously. The worst, but massively the least common, PJG. Partners joined together. Huh? Yes.
So that one is true.
Of course. You doubted it? You don't know. After sex, a man and a woman cannot be separated. They both die. One joined to the other.
Such evil. But why?
Women suspected to be unfaithful to their husbands are all usually afflicted with Magum.
I trust my daughter.
The incubation period in the carrier lasts as long as she does not have sexual intercourse with anyone. But immediately this happens, the partner dies, even if he is the man who afflicted the carrier with it. If no intercourse occurs, the carrier still dies within a period of 9 to 12 weeks. The poor thing won't even know except someone tells her. No headache, no cold, no pains of any type, just death, sudden and final. The whole process is beyond medical comprehension. If I were a doctor, I would name Magum instant terminator AIDS. No, better still, Thunderbolt AIDS.
What can we do?
The affliction costs nothing, but the cure a fortune, Baba.
Whatever, I'll pay.
Papa, you don't have to
I'll pay. But this
Magum, Baba. Don't climb or don't mount.
Opomulero,